Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the lower cam actuator in your retractable downdraft vent, be sure to shut off the power to the unit. Detach the venting from the backdraft damper. Unthread the 4 screws securing the vent box cover. Slide the cover up to detach. Cut the zip tie to release the blower assembly power cable. Then disconnect the cable. Now support the bottom of the vent box and unthread the 7 screws on the top and sides, securing the vent box to the plenum. With the screws unthreaded, carefully lift the vent box and blower assembly off of the 2 bottom shoulder screws and away from the cabinet. Next, remove the nut securing the upper arm to the lower arm. Use a 10mm socket to rotate the nut clockwise to loosen, then fully unthread the nut. Now use a T20 Torx bit to unthread the 4 screws, securing the drive motor and switch assembly mounting plate to the plenum. Rotate the lower arm out of the way, then use a T10 Torx bit to unthread the screws to release the switch assembly housing cover. With the cover off, you can lift out the old lower cam actuator. Prepare the new lower cam actuator for installation by applying some white lithium grease. Position the actuator in the housing. Confirm that the spring is in place on the housing cover post, then realign the cover and secure it with the screws. Make sure the lower arm is facing downward, then reposition the drive motor and switch assembly mounting plate on the plenum. Thread the 4 screws to secure the plate. Realign the lower arm with the upper arm. Then thread the nut counterclockwise and tighten. Reinstall the vent box and blower assembly by first feeding the power cable through the rear of the box. Align the bottom edge of the box on the shoulder screws. Support the box. Then rethread and tighten the 7 screws to hold the box in place. Reconnect the blower assembly power cable and use a zip tie to secure the cable. Reinstall the vent box cover by positioning it over the shoulder screws and sliding it down. Thread and tighten the screws to secure. Reattach the venting to the damper. With the repair completed, turn the power supply back on, and the retractable downdraft vent should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.